This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices. Plug in the Homepod and keep it within 10 meters, then open settings on your iPhone and turn Bluetooth on. Make sure airplane mode is off and you're signed into your Apple ID so authorization and handoff work. Once done, wake the Homepod by tapping its top so it's discoverable. You'll use Bluetooth first to establish a direct pairing channel. This step makes a temporary, secure link so the iPhone can transfer credentials. Next, create the peer connection through the Home app. Open Home and tap the plus sign to add an accessory. If the iPhone doesn't detect a HomeKit code because there's no Wi-Fi, choose the manual or Bluetooth setup path and hold the iPhone close to the HomePod. You'll see a proximity prompt. Tap Allow and accept Bluetooth and handoff permissions. The iPhone sends HomeKit credentials over Bluetooth so the HomePod can register to your Apple ID without a router. Finish the setup by following the remaining Home app prompts. Assign the HomePod to a room, enable personal requests if desired, then test playback via Siri or AirPlay to the HomePod. If the connection fails, restart both the HomePod and your iPhone, bring them within 1 meter, and repeat the Bluetooth pairing. This resolves most transient issues. As a last resort, enable a personal hotspot from a different device to give the HomePod temporary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.